Hey guys, welcome back. Let's get to it. I was listening to a faith-based station on this satellite service that's tied in with my traffic update service, and there was a person who was saying something along the lines of they were praying because they were feeling bad and not all their prayers come true. In other words, they were feeling bad and they said a prayer, please let me feel better, and nothing happened. And I got to wondering, what if we upped the ante, so to speak, and said, please let me feel better so I can bring to everyone the joy that I feel in my own heart. What if we're able to do that? What if we're able to channel a higher level of health because we're sharing the health, so to speak? I wonder if that's possible. So it's just something to think about until next time. Until next time, peace, love, and all that old school stuff.